Calibrating the Transync box for a central-driven wire feeding unit. Push the button once to insert the language for your region. Rotate the knob to set the unit system, imperial or metric. Rotate the knob to calibrate your welding machine. Push to enter the menu. Select Manual Calculation. Push again. Insert the wire feeding wheel diameter. Rotate the knob to adjust. Push to confirm your setting. In case you use a central-driven shaft, count the number of teeth on the central axle comparing to the wire feeding roll. Select the desired number of teeth. Push to confirm. Select the number of teeth on the encoder axle. Push to confirm. Insert the rotation direction, backwards or forwards. Push to confirm. The ratio is calculated by the box. Push again. And exit the menu. Your box is now ready for use. Calibrating the Transync box for a direct-driven wire feeding mechanism. Push the button to enter the menu. Select the language of your region. Select the unit system, imperial or metric. Rotate the knob to calibrate the machine. Push the button and select Manual Calculate. Push again to insert the wire feeding wheel diameter. Rotate the knob and push to confirm. Since we're making use of a direct-driven unit, we select an equal number of teeth. In this case, we enter the setting 20 for both the central-driven axle as the wire feeding wheel. Again, select 20, which gives us a 1:1 ratio. Push to confirm. Select the rotation direction, forward or backwards, and push to confirm. Your ratio is now calculated in the box. Now rotate the knob. Push to exit the menu. Your box is now ready for use.